Three-phase wiring. Off. Smart power meter. Turn off the main power first. You can mark the three-phase wires by yourself. For example, the red live wire is L1, the green is L2, and the yellow is L3. And wire connect to the neutral. Once the corresponding wiring connection is completed, gently pull the wire to make sure it locks securely. L1 wire connect to the L1. Electrical wiring color are different in different countries. Please determine your L1, L2, L3 according to your own country. L2 wire connect to the L2. And L3 wire connect to the L3. The CT of L1 need to connect to the L1 circuit. When clamping, make sure the arrow on the CT point to the load. The CT of L3 need to connect to the L2 circuit. Make sure the arrow on the CT points to the load. The CT of L3 need to connect to the L3 circuit. Make sure the arrow on the CT point to the load. External antenna. Locate the external antenna outside the electrical panel to ensure the power meter signal is not blocked by metal. The base of the antenna has a magnetic and can be adsorbed on iron materials. After all installation is complete, turn on the power.